Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwala. Today we will be talking about, the vaccine for coronavirus and coronavirus. See, I had predicted. In fact, as I've been telling in all my articles that I am the first astrologer to predict coronavirus on the 17th September 2019. No astrologer had predicted that there will be coronavirus. I don't want to name the person, but there was an astrologer who pointed out that in the month of April 2020, the things would be extremely venomous, but nobody pointed out that there will be a virus which will spread throughout the world and it will be parallel like Spanish flu. Well, I had predicted that in the month of November, when there is an exchange between the stars of Jupiter and Sun, after that, or after on the 6th of November, after the 6th of November, the vaccine could be developed. And only yesterday, it's a phenomenal day. Yesterday, the 9th of November, the Zyfer firm has come out with a vaccine and says the results are 90% positive. I'd also mentioned that from the 20th of November to 8th of December is a good time. But there is a constraint that Mars, the planet for cure, is fallen and in Pisces. As a matter of fact, till Mars goes in the sign Aries, there could be no phenomenal relief. There could be a relief, but there cannot be a phenomenal relief for the virus. I'd also predicted that the solar ingress of Sun in the sign Libra is not very good. It is not conducive to give good results for the disease and the virus. And the virus could take a peak. There could be spikes in the coronavirus. And as you have seen all throughout the world, the coronavirus is taking a the third form, in the third stage. So it is not good. The third wave. So in fact, the predictions as far as the vaccine is concerned, the outbreak of coronavirus is concerned, and the spikes in the coronavirus, whatever I have predicted, are proving spot on. I've also needless to mention that my prediction for US presidential elections have also proved spot on. 99.9% astrologers predicted that the winner would be Donald Trump. No astrologer predicted that the coronavirus will take a third wave and the vaccine will be developed but after the 6th of November, and it will come in the market after 20th of November when Jupiter goes in the sign Capricorn, and it will be Vargottam, and a planet which is Vargottam is considered to be as if he is in a Mool Trikona sign, and Jupiter being a Jiva planet is extremely responsible for the vaccine to come out for the saving of the mankind. I'm sorry, as far as this stock market is concerned, I had predicted that there could be a crash and there could be a hit in the stock market. I had I had written a research article and I had taken all the parameters at when the previous times the crash took place, and it had been observed that whenever Jupiter is in a fiery sign, Jupiter or Saturn is in a fiery sign, and especially in the month of October when Sun is debilitated and there the longitudinal distance between Venus and Mercury is minimum, it is now minimum at 12.5 to 13 degrees. So then there is a possibility of a crack, big crack in the stock market. Unfortunately, it did not happen, and I forgot that the vaccine would be developed. While writing the article on the stock and financial markets, I forgot that the vaccine could come out after 6th, and if the vaccine comes out, the news comes out after the 6th of November, the market would bounce. So I forgot that parameter, and if I had taken that parameter in account, then I would not have given the predictions. But nevertheless, every time you predict, you learn, and nobody is perfect, and especially the financial astrology is the most difficult subject on the earth. I will tell you one thing. IAS is easy. Competing in IAS is easy, but astrology is the most difficult subject. Why astrology is the most difficult subject? You have 9 planets, 12 houses, they are 30 degrees, and there are 27 stars, 27 nakshatras. You see the permutation and combinations, and to remember all those permutation and combinations, your brain has to be just like a computer, and it's extremely impossible to remember all the parameters, combinations. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share, that my predictions are spot on. I am working very hard on the financial stock and financial markets. I worked very hard, but they have not come out true. I'm sorry. And also mentioned that this is a research article. People are contradicting me. Please don't take it in a negative sense. You see, at least I've tried, and I have only predicted after looking at the previous occasions when market had crashed, and I had tabulated all the parameters, and on the basis of that I had predicted that from the 8th of November to 18th of November is the most critical time. Well, 18th of November has still not passed. I am hopeful, but the market is bouncing back, and yesterday the Dow had also surged like anything. The BSE Sensex also surged, and my feeling is that if it doesn't happen in the month of November, as I mentioned, till 18th of November, then it may happen in the month of December. But fingers crossed. Again, it is a research article, and especially when it has been observed that when Jupiter and Saturn are conjunct, degree conjunct, and there is a planetary war between these two planets, especially after within 1 week of the eclipse, solar eclipse is taking place on the 14th, and on the 16th or 17th there is a planetary war. It suggests a big event in the globe, and big event in the globe. It could be a war-like situation. The disease could spread. Coronavirus could take a 4th wave, and there is bound to the stock and financial markets are bound to be affected. Although this eclipse is not visible in India, but I have seen that even if the eclipse is not visible, it does affect to some extent. It may not affect so much in India, but as far as America is concerned, it will definitely influence the America. This solar eclipse on the 14th of December will definitely influence America in some way or the other. And friends, this is all I just wanted to share. Have a good day, and bye-bye.